Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami canoe or a boat. So it looks like something like this. So it's like a canoe, yeah. So let's get started. Alright. So the first step is to flip this paper over to the white side. So we flip it over. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge, the one I'm holding upward, to this edge, the one I'm pointing to. So it looks something like that, a rectangle. And then the next step is we fold over to this side. And so it becomes a square, a green square, like that. Okay, and then we go ahead and unfold it. So we unfold once and unfold twice. And you can see we have this nice crease down the middle and another crease over here in the middle as well. And so the next step is we get this flap over here and we fold to this middle line, this middle crease over here. So we fold up like that. And then we do the same with the top. We fold down to the middle crease like that. Like that. And so now we have a green rectangle. Okay, so the next step is we get the corner like this and we fold, make a fold like this. So make a fold like that. So notice that this edge over here is going to align with this middle edge over here. So it's going to align like that. Okay, and then we're going to do the same with the other three corners. Like that. That. And one more corner. Like that. Okay. So now it should look like this. And then the next step is we fold this corner again. And we fold so that here there's like a sharp point. And here the end of the crease meets this middle line down the middle. So it meets it. So something like this, and we fold like that. See? Fold like that. And then we do the same with the other three corners. Like that. Oops, like that. And then like that. And one more. Like that. And it's okay if they overlap a bit at here and here. It's okay. It's alright. So now we have something like this. Okay. And then the next step is we get this corner over here, the one I'm holding, and we fold to the middle line. So we fold to the middle line like that. And we do the same with the top. So we fold down to the middle line like that. So notice I just fold like that. Okay. All right, now we're almost done. So next, we go ahead and open it up a bit. And it looks a little like a canoe, but not really. So the next step is kind of the hardest step. So we have this and we need to turn it inside out. So that's kind of difficult actually. So what we do is we get it like this and we turn it inside out. So yeah, this part's a bit tricky. You have to be careful not to rip the paper. If you do, that's okay. Just start over again. Okay. All right. That crease is a little weird. I'm trying to fix it. So go ahead and try to fix any strange creases if you can. If you can't, that's fine. All right. And yeah, there we go. Our boat. All right. Thank you.